Have you ever had a month where nothing big happened, but your money still vanished? No crazy shopping sprees, no luxury purchases, just food, gas, maybe one night out. And yet, when you check your bank account, it feels like someone quietly robbed you. That's not bad luck, and it's not because you're irresponsible. It's because a lot of things we're still buying out of habit are no longer worth the price. Not even close. Prices didn't just go up, value disappeared. We're paying premium prices for things that stayed average or got worse, and most people don't realize it until they're stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Let's start with something people hate hearing. Fast food is no longer cheap. That was the whole point of fast food, fast and affordable. That era is over. A burger, fries, and a drink can now cost $15, sometimes $20. You're not sitting at a restaurant, you're eating from a paper bag in your car. And somehow, this is considered normal now. The price went up. The quality didn't. That's the problem. And sit-down restaurants? Even worse. What used to be a casual habit is now a luxury expense. 2 meals, drinks, maybe an appetizer. Suddenly it's $80 or $100 after tip. For one dinner. One night. Money that's gone forever. Do that a few times a week and you're burning thousands every month. Most people who can't save money are literally eating it. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest financial traps. Brand new cars. This one hurts because the math is obvious, and people still ignore it. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses around 20% of its value. You're poorer before you even get home, and most people finance it. So you're paying interest on something that's actively losing value. That's not an asset, that's a money furnace. A 3- or 4-year-old used car does the exact same job for half the price. The only difference is ego. Clothing is another silent money killer, especially branded clothing. Not quality. Branding. A $10 t-shirt and a $200 t-shirt often come from the same factory. Same fabric, same stitching, different logo. Nobody is impressed by your logo. You're paying hundreds of dollars just to feel successful for 5 minutes. Vacations have also become insanely expensive. Flights, hotels, food, everything costs more. Yet people still travel on credit. They post the photos, then spend the next year paying interest. That's not freedom. That's delayed stress. Experiences matter, but not at the cost of your future. Subscriptions are draining people quietly. Each one feels small. Together, they're massive. Hundreds of dollars every year for things you barely touch. Electronics might be the worst offender of all. A new phone every year. A slightly better camera. The same life. If you kept your phone for 5 years instead of 2, you'd save thousands. Tech companies rely on one thing: impatience. Then there's status spending. Buying things to look rich instead of becoming rich. Luxury watches, designer bags, cars you can't afford, all to impress people who don't care. Real wealth is quiet. Fake wealth is loud and expensive. Here's the truth most people avoid. You can look rich or you can be rich. Rarely both. Every unnecessary purchase steals from your future, from your savings, your freedom, your peace of mind. You don't need to live like a monk. Just stop paying premium prices for average things. Track your spending for 1 month. You'll be shocked by how much goes to things that don't actually matter. Cut what doesn't improve your life, and watch how fast your money starts working for you instead of against you. If this made you rethink how you spend money, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe for more real conversations about money and how to actually keep it.